I remember a few years ago watching a Netflix documentary on beavers. I wasn't like, whoa, beavers, I need to watch this. It just kind of looked interesting, so I clicked it. At this time in my life, I was pretty committed to the idea that human beings, including me, were doing more harm to our planet than good. I was very defeated and started taking on hardcore environmental ideas that suicide was the best thing I could do for the environment. Then beavers. The documentary spoke of beavers as having more influence on environment than any other animal. I yelled at the narrator, human beings, because human beings have had the most influence on environment, but I continued to watch. I saw how the beavers felled tree after tree and turned a woodland with a small brook into a giant lake. Like the development of our cities, the beavers altered the topography and the ecosystem of a landscape. They altered it dramatically. Maybe not cement and steel skyscrapers different, but certainly unrecognizable from what it was. Somehow this gave me permission to judge humans a little less harshly, at least most of them. Instead of feeling like part of a destructive force or an isolated species without any regard for our home, I could acknowledge that transforming a place was actually quite natural. Our damage was in the excess of this transformation, not the lumbering and the urbanization, but the excess of lumbering and urbanization. I can't say that I've forgiven us. It hurts my heart that bison no longer run in strong herds across the plains and that Montanans are in battle over the land they're willing to share with the wolves. I hate that human beings think that this land is our land and we do as we wish with minimal regard for anything else. But the beavers, they give me hope that there is a way to transform our homes naturally and functionally without extinction of other species or stress on the ozone. I freaking love this blue planet. I love, love, love it. Doe eyes.